Hi guys, we long have been waiting for OpenAI to release Sora, but it has been months, but we have not seen Sora being demoed to any of the normal users, and also we have not got to try it. But as it is said, competition never stops. KlingAI is here and we can use it today, now itself. If you're not aware, few months back we had demos of KlingAI and it was absolutely on par with Sora. At that time even I thought that this will end up being like Sora and we will not get it anytime soon, but I was wrong and we actually have access to it. So this is the website klingai.com. I'll be giving this link in my description. So just before we start, I would highly request you to like this video so that this video reaches a wider audience and it helps me a lot. Thank you. So when you open the website, this is what you will be seeing. The left you can see the side panel where home, AI images, AI videos is mentioned. AI images, it is what it is mentioned over here. You can generate images and their output is actually very nice. Now the next one is AI videos that we all know. We'll be trying that out. Here we have text to video and also image to video, and trust me, the image to video is absolutely phenomenal and is actually useful other than the other examples that we have seen. Next comes, if you go to the back dashboard, is AI editing. So these are some of the features which will be coming in the future. Also they don't have any kind of a subscription now because it is completely new. Here you can see you get 66 credits every day to use. So we'll be creating AI images powered by Coloros and AI videos powered by Kling. So what we'll be doing is, first let's generate an image from Coloros and we'll be using that to create a video. So just click on this AI images and you'll be greeted with this interface. Here you can enter your prompt, you can give a reference image as well, and you can see you have all the major aspect ratios which you want. You can also select the number of images that you want to generate. So what we'll be doing is, this is the prompt that I've given. Let's see. So you have 66 credits, right? For generation of 4 images, 0.8 credits are being used. So let's reduce it. If you generate one image, only just 0.2 credits are used. So let's just generate one image, okay? So we'll get more chances. Here we can select the aspect ratio. So I would like to have a 4:3 aspect ratio. Okay, so now let's generate this image and let's see. Okay guys, we have got the image and this is the image. From the likes of it, it doesn't like, attention to detail is very nice, but I think the proportioning is something which it's not getting right. So we might have to try something else, I guess. Let's do something. Let's remove cinematic and try photo. Let's see what different does that bring. Okay guys, this was the first image and this is the second image. It looks way good, I guess. So we'll be using this one. As you can see here, you have two options. First one is as reference and bring to life. Now what is as reference is that if you click it, this photo goes into the reference and now you can build upon this code. It will not be exactly similar but something closer. For example, this is the image, right? So what we'll be doing is just type enter. Now let's see what happens. So now the credits which will be used is 30 credits, maybe 10 for the image and 20 for the generation. So let's run it and see. Okay guys, the photo has been generated. You can see it's not that good. It has that similar proportioning kind of issues, but you can see the image looks quite similar to the previous one and the climate has been changed. So this is what as reference is. So we'll select the first image and click bring to life. So let's see what bring to life is. If you click bring to life, you will be directly taken into the video tag and video generation page, and the image to video will be automatically selected and the photo that we wanted to bring to life, that is generate video upon, will be pasted. So now we can give a prompt and here the prompt is set to be optional. Okay, so let's do one thing. We'll just generate directly. Let's see what it generates without giving any kind of external prompt. So one thing to note is, if you head over to image to video, 10 credits will be used up. So keep that in mind and don't worry, this will be refreshing every 24 hours. So let's generate without any prompt. What do we get out of this? Creations generally take some time, so by that time I would highly suggest you to give a like. That will be very helpful for me. Okay guys, as you can see, the image has been generated and this doesn't seem to have emotion. It looks like a live photo, and also it is analogous to bringing to life without making any substantial changes. So let's see how far can we go with having prompts. So this is the image we have, right? So let's do something. What we'll be doing is we'll just prompt it, see what we get. Okay guys, so here is the generation, and I think it has completely misunderstood what our intent was. Here you can see sprinting on the streets 8K Ultra HDR. It couldn't understand I was talking about the car, and it's showing me a man sprinting in a very weird way. But still we'll be trying for the one last time. Let's mention, I think this should do what we get generated. Okay guys, now when we mention a car, then the model understood, and we can see we have got a very nice video. You can see the car is very consistent. In the background as well we can see other cars moving as well. So this is nice. So let's try something else now. I've headed back to AI images, and here we'll be creating an image. Okay guys, so what we'll be doing is that I created a GPT called Cam GPT way back, so we'll be using it, and the prompt that I'm going to generate is okay. We have got the prompt now. We'll be just copying it and pasting it over here. Let me just remove the inverted commas. Now let's see how good the image is which is generated. Before that we'll generate one images, and I think we'll go with a 3:2 aspect ratio. Let's generate. Okay guys, now you can see the generation quality is very nice. This is the image that we have generated. Now we'll be using this. So let's go to bring to life, and let's write struggling through heavy winter snow, photorealism. So let's try this. So okay guys, we have got the generation, and you can see it's quite good. The man is actually struggling as we have said in the prompt, but the face and all of this is blurry, and one of the reasons could be that the image model that we are using, right, colors image model that we are using, it's not that good compared to the Kling. So what we can do is we can have a reference image and generate over it. So what we'll use, we will be using some of our own images. So this is a image that I created with the Bing image creator, and this as you can see, this is thinking, this emoji is thinking. So let's do one thing. Let's just add that in prompt and thinking deeply about something. Let's see what we get. Okay guys, as you can see, this is absolutely phenomenal. The hands are moving, and also he's moving the eyes, giving a thinking and doubting, speculating kind of impression, and that is absolutely nice. So when you give your own images, right, it works absolutely well. Let me show you this with one more image, and then we'll move to text to video directly. Okay guys, so have a look at this image. So this is the image that I've given where two people are arguing. So let's just type arguing. Let's send this. Okay guys, just have a look at this, and this is what I was talking. If the base image is very nice, this is the level of generation you will be getting. I mean, have a look at this. It has got the exact implementation of it, and it actually looks absolutely real. Yeah, there are some kinds of deformation when it comes to hands, but come on guys, the level of relevance is absolutely phenomenal. So this is what you will get with image to video. And one thing we have to notice, the generation length can be extended to 10 seconds, and also there will be a high quality option sooner than we think, maybe. So we can actually get even better results from this. So this is all about the image to video generations. We'll move to text to video and directly generate a video from scratch from KlingAI. So let's get over to that. And make sure, if you are liking this video, you like this video by clicking on that like button so that this video reaches a wider audience. Okay guys, so let's check out the text to video generations. So let me give a prompt. The prompt is a cute girl blushing, adorable scenario. Not very good prompt, but let's try basic prompts and let's see what we get. So here we have only the 3 options. We also have the camera movement. So here you can see, here in the camera control option, it says when camera control method is not specified, the model will intelligently match bit based on images or description. Let's do a zoom movement. You can also, let's mention the zoom as -10, and now let's generate. Let's see what do we get. Okay guys, we have our generation. Isn't that pretty awesome? Have a look at this. It looks absolutely real. Also remember the camera movement that we specified, that is zoom -10. So it starts from a close-up and ends up in a wider view. That is pretty awesome. Let's try something else. Okay guys, so this is kind of a different prompt that we are going to try over here. The prompt is an anthropomorphic crocodile is riding a motorcycle, savage, moving fast through the streets. Type which looks savage. Yeah, let's generate. Let's do one thing. Now this time we'll create a vertical video, 9:16 aspect ratio. So let's see. Okay guys, we've got our generation, and I think not very good. It seems to be pretty consistent. If you see the crocodile, right, it looks like a crocodile, and but instead of a motorcycle, at the end it turns into a 3-wheeler vehicle and some kind of distortions like that. So this is what KlingAI is, guys. So this is kind of a mixed bag of various features. You did see that if we have a very good source image, then the generations are pretty nice. So what do you guys think of KlingAI? If you liked the content, I would highly suggest you to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are interested in more such kind of AI tutorials and AI stuff. Thank you guys for watching.